Racing just started. We have Sweet. Sweet break quickly at the start. Mahogany, lock of the Irish in the middle. Teritun Ray Moonstar, Power of the Wind is down on the inside. Blondie Budge while winner. Take all is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Sweet na Sweet. Power of the Wind is right behind in second. Lock of the Irish is racing in third. Then next on line is Mahogany. Teritun moving up now on the outside is winner. Take all. Raymond Star while Blondie Budge now racing on last back to the leader. We have Sweet na Sweet by about 3/4 length lead. Lock of the Irish is on the outside. Power of the Wind is racing in third. Mahogany, Teritun Ray. Moonstar now moving up on the outside. Then next on line is Blondie Budge while winner take all now racing last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Sweet na Sweet by about 3 lengths. Mahogany in second, moving up on the outside. Raymond Star, Blondie Budge is down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Sweet na Sweet followed by Mahogany in second, Raymond Star, and finally Sweet na Sweet. Mahogany, Raymond Star, then comes Terry Tuna.